In line with the district administration's notification of 30th October 2024, the road linking Mawlonghat and Bimola Junction in Shillong reopened today, the 4th of November 2024. This route has been closed to vehicular traffic for the past 6 years due to ethnic clashes in the area, which is home to the Harijans and municipal board sweepers. The reopening is intended to ease congestion in the bustling Bara Bazaar area. Authorities have requested the general public to adhere to set traffic regulations in order to maintain smooth transit on the newly accessible road.